Hey entrepreneurs, did you know that the way you approach taxes could save or cost your small business thousands of dollars each year? Hi, I'm Coach Tasha, and I use my channel to talk and teach all things taxes and entrepreneurship. I'm a business and tax strategist to small business owners just like you. Today, let's take a closer look at the difference between tax preparation and tax planning and why tax planning could be your business's secret weapon, okay? Now, welcome back to all my subscribers, and if you're new here, hi, please be sure to subscribe. Now, if you clicked on this video, you obviously are looking for tax planning for your business because you're sick and tired of handing over so much money in taxes. I don't know if you realize it, but maybe you have realized it, that we pay taxes on the money we make, then we pay taxes on the money we spend in sales tax, right? Then we pay taxes on things we own, our property taxes, okay, which we already paid taxes on when we bought these things with money that we were already taxed on. It's crazy, okay? So the first thing I want to address is the difference between tax preparation and tax planning. Now, tax preparation or tax compliance, these terms can be used interchangeably, but they mean the same thing. Okay, essentially, it is a reactive approach. You're gathering all of your financial info, like your 1099 forms, your profit and loss statement, your W-2 if you're still working for someone else or whatever, as well as other tax-related documents to your tax preparer to get your tax returns filed before the deadline. And if you're doing your own taxes, right, you're basically plugging that information into your DIY tax software of choice. Either way, it's basically a transaction that involves data being entered to figure out if you paid enough taxes, or if you owe more, or if you're going to break even, or maybe you're going to be due a refund. Now, tax planning is the process of organizing your financial affairs in a way that minimizes your tax liabilities, or in simpler terms, helps you pay the least amount of taxes legally possible, okay? It's like financial gardening, right? So think of it like you're planting the right seeds today and lending to them regularly, right? Nurturing them, okay, so that you can reap bigger benefits when your tax filing season comes around. Instead of just reacting to tax situations when they arise, tax planning allows you to proactively make decisions throughout the year to ensure you take full advantage of tax opportunities, deductions, credits, and everything available to you. Now, this is not tax avoidance, okay? That's illegal. This is strategic tax planning, which is totally legal. Now, why should you care about being proactive? Well, it's simple, right? Tax planning gives you financial savings, peace of mind, helps you make better business decisions, and be more efficient with your money. Now, I'm going to share a story with you, okay? One of my new clients was referred to me last year. Their revenue is in multiple six figures, okay? They have an LLC, they're taxed as a C corporation, and they also work independently as a sole proprietor in the same industry as the LLC, okay? They were losing a lot of money, not because their business wasn't profitable, but because their tax preparer had them on a reactive approach, like I explained earlier, right, in regards to tax preparation. Now, the reason why their previous tax preparer couldn't let them in on the secret about tax planning, okay, which is really not a secret, was because the tax preparer was good at preparing and filing tax returns, but was lacking vital information about tax planning in order to help the client avoid overpaying. Now, after my team and I did an assessment and we were able to tailor a tax plan that helped the client save thousands and thousands of dollars, okay, my client was able to use that money and redirect it for other financial goals, okay? Now they're getting both services from me, okay, tax preparation and tax planning, all right? Now, I decided to get into tax planning a few years ago because I too used to only do tax preparation, but I wanted to give my clients more value and help them legally keep more money that they work so hard for. Now, if you're someone who wants to begin winning with taxes like my client did, okay, visit the link in my description box and complete the inquiry questionnaire form. Now, one thing that separates me from others is that I specialize in serving clients across diverse and unique industries. I am in New York, but I serve clients in all 50 states. okay? And the reason why I'm doing this video now is to introduce you to tax planning, because we only have until December 31st before you begin taking action. And once 2024 begins, okay, it will basically be too late to do anything for your 2023 tax returns, okay? Now remember, tax filing season happens from January to April. Tax planning season takes place from May to December, because it gives you plenty of time to implement different strategies, okay? You can honestly even start before May, all right? Now, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Please give this a thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and remember to share it with a friend. Take care.